Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix Steam slow download speed in 2022. So the first thing that you have to do is once you're on Steam here, we can go to Steam, we can go to settings. Here we can go to downloads. And first, there are two different ways you can go about this, right? So first, download region should be your main country. For me, it's Croatia, right? Now, if you still have problems after this, after you clicked on your download region, then clear download cache right here. This will basically restart your downloads to work a little bit more smoother, right? So once you have done these two, and if it's still not working, you can click OK. And then what we can do is we can go to CMD here. We can right click on CMD, run as administrator here, and this will open a CMD, right? Now, I already did this, but what you can do is you have this, basically these commands right here. So the first command that you want to type in here is this command right here. After that, you will click enter, right? And after that, you will type in this command as well. After that command, you will type in this command, and these are basically commands that are basically resetting the Steam and the internet basically in a nutshell, where you'll be able to, download again with, the download speed that you currently have. Then you can go and exit, you can type in exit like this. You can type in exit, and that will exit out of it, and then restart your PC. So these are 4 or 3 different ways how you can basically boost your download speed and fix Steam slow download speed. Now, if you still have issues after watching this video, comment down below and I'll make sure to go and help every one of you. If this video really helped you, make sure to leave a like down below and comment down below which step helped you with fixing Steam slow download speed. Thank you.